5 Best Doorbells. The item number 5 is New EU/US/UK no battery. Type, doorbells. Power source, AC. Power source, self-powered. Brand name, O-Greener. Doorbell type, wireless. Model number, O-Greener E2. Color, white. Ringtones, 38 rings. Plug, EU/US/UK. The item number 4 is Kukuzi Wireless Waterproof Doorbell. The button supports up to 20 PCs, and the receiver supports up to 100 PCs. If multiple buttons are paired with one or more receivers in the same system, each button can be set to a different ringtone. Power off memory function. Turn the power on again after power off. No need to readjust and lock the ringtone. The item number 3 is Kukuzi Wireless Doorbell. The button supports up to 8 pieces, and the receiver supports up to 100 PCs. The transmitter has no screw chuck design, and it can be waterproof and dustproof without rubber ring. If multiple buttons are paired with one or more receivers in the same system, each button can be set to a different ringtone. The item number 2 is Kukuzi AC 100 to 240 volts. Type, doorbells. Doorbell type, wireless. Model number, A10. Power source, AC. Power source, battery. Brand name, Kukuzi. Color, black, white. Remote range, 300 meters in open area. Melody, 60 ringtones. The item number 1 is Kukuzi New Wireless Doorbell. Brand name, Kukuzi. Power source, AC. Power source, battery. Doorbell type, wireless. Model number, A10BB. Type, doorbells. Power supply, 110 volts to 220 volts/240 volts. Working frequency, 433 MHz. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.